everyone, we're here in Portland visiting Daimler Truck in North America. They're built on a singular challenge and one that still motivates them every day, that of building a better truck. Come on, let's see if they'll show me around. And the man himself, Lutz, so good to see you. You visited us in San Francisco for Snowflake Summit. I thought I'd return the favor and come spend some time with you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Welcome.
This is more like it. What do we have here?
Yeah, here we have a simulator, and let's look into that.
All right, you hop in there. If you don't mind, I'm taking the driver's seat.
No, look.
Lutz, to start with over 125 years of history, how does your data analytics strategy continue to lead the way and why?
Yeah, let me first say welcome in the cab, right? This is the place where we work on, right?
Yeah.
And where our customers are working on. And as you mentioned, right, 125 years of history is giving us a certain task also to define the next 125 years.
Right.
So, and that's exactly what we are trying to do now with the data strategy. Because if you don't do it now, it might be too late.
Right.
Because everybody is working on it and everybody's trying to jump on the train. And so we needed to do something as well, which is a bit more thought-provoking and different. So everything what we do on the data strategy is trying also to transform the company in a more data-driven organization.
Used to be very much kind of driver controls the truck. Now it's starting to feel more of a relationship. How do you see that dynamic changing over the next decade? And how is Daimler Truck leading this charge towards autonomous transportation?
Well, when you look at the product, the truck is changing significantly the way how we do things. A truck will be essential for the infrastructure over the next decade for longer time, right? And we all do know, of course, that there is technologies in place which are helping us now to run autonomous.
It's great to bring the Snowflake Snowmobile, which was manufactured by DTNA, to your HQ. And it was last in San Francisco at Summit. What were your key takeaways, and how do you see Snowflake impacting Daimler Truck's corporate strategy?
The key takeaway for me is that we have took the right decision. Way back when we decided to go on Snowflake as a data foundation and everything what we do on the data side, right? And this is for me the biggest topic, so that I have a lot of opportunities because there is a lot of partners out there which are working with you and doing things, but it's not just about the partners, it's more about the capability of the platform which we can use and where we can leverage and certainly make sure that we support the strategy which we have. So everything what we are doing in terms of selling trucks, in terms of maintaining trucks, in terms of servicing trucks, whatever you want to have, will be driven by data more and more, and that's exactly why we're sitting on Snowflake. When you have that all together on one platform, with all the different features you have on Snowflake as well, and the easy way of integrating for visualization or integrating some agents as well, and this is all helping us to make that extremely fast and understand. So the data insights is the biggest topic we have, and I think it will help significantly in the future to deliver everything what we do from sales, aftermarket, manufacturing, engineering. In all the areas, data will determine the way how we go. What we want to do internally is basically taking non-value adding activities out, automate most of the processes, and then let focus the people on value-adding topic. And this is also for all our customers or our dealers. We want to make sure, that they are really focused on their value-adding topics, and everything what is non-value-adding is driven by machines.
Well, Lutz, it's wonderful to be outside. Stunning view here at HQ. How do you anticipate data demands and AI capabilities evolving to help a global organization like Daimler Truck?
For me, data and all the technologies which are coming along with the data is the decisive factor. Companies which do not go on this data journey or which do not have a possibility to do it will not succeed in everything what they want to do. One big business topic is, of course, what is around agentic AI and the use of agents, right? How we compliantly and ethically use data in the future. So there is a lot of opportunities and there is a lot of excitement how you can do it, but on the other side, you also need to watch out, okay, how we use data in a very compliant way.
making sure you have that top-down approach and, to your point, doing it the right way. If I were to hop into a Daimler truck, say in 2035, what would surprise me the most? What's gone, what's new, and what's running completely in the background thanks to data and analytics?
If you think about everything what is happening in autonomous, right? You just, of course, on the truck side, you need to say, what is the biggest topic? And this is the load which you can put on. And the cabin is taking, of course, a certain piece of the load. So I guess at a certain point, if they're running fully autonomous, you might not see a cabin anymore.
Well, I'm looking forward to seeing what comes next, Lutz. It's such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having
you.
me at your HQ here today.
Thank you very much for coming.
Wow, what a great day in Portland. That's a wrap. But don't worry, Data Nation, because we're coming to a city near you. We'll see you out there.